In today's video, I will show you how to make a water bottle rocket. For this, we will need a motorcycle valve, pump and plastic bottle. We have made a hole in the cap of the bottle and we have fitted the valve so that it is airtight. Now we will fill some water in the bottle and close the bottle with the valve cap. Now we will pump air into the bottle few times so that a pressure is built up. We will open the cap very fast and see what happens. Wow, the bottle flies like a rocket. Isn't it amazing?